Learning Journey presents Remote Control Dancing Dino.
Hello, my friend. I'm your Play and Learn Dancing Dino. It's time to play.
Dance along with the Remote Control Dancing Dino. The flashing lights, sound effects, and play modes are sure to get your child moving about. With the touch of a button, the creature moves forwards, backwards, and dances around. The Remote Control Dino stimulates tactile and motor skills, action and reaction skills, and builds your little one's self-confidence. But that's not all. It also teaches ABCs, colors, numbers, and shapes.
Wow! Let's have some learning fun. Are you ready?
Get moving with the Remote Control Dancing Dino. The Learning Journey, making high-quality, award-winning products for your children.